Hello. Do you know that there are a lot of wealth in Nigeria and India? Well, in this video, we will explore 15 specific assets that are making people rich in Nigeria and India in 2024, showcasing how these investments can change lives. Many people struggle to find reliable ways to grow their wealth, especially in emerging markets like Nigeria and India, where opportunities can be both plentiful and risky. For too long, people have been stuck with low-yielding savings accounts or poor investments that barely keep pace with inflation. But what if you could tap into the lucrative opportunities that are quietly making people rich in these markets? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. The truth is, there are more ways to build wealth than just stocks and real estate. You just need to know where to look, and that's exactly what we're going to do. There's a lot of misinformation out there about building wealth in emerging markets, and it's easy to get caught up in the hype. But we're going to cut through the noise and focus on the tangible assets that are delivering real results for people on the ground. We'll look at everything from agriculture and commodities to fintech and digital assets, and explore the various ways that people are using these assets to build wealth. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, you'll want to pay close attention to what we're about to cover. We'll also examine the potential risks and challenges associated with each asset, so you can make informed decisions about where to invest your time and money. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the 15 assets that are making people rich in Nigeria and India, and you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to start building your own wealth. We'll break down each of the 15 assets, discussing their potential, how they work, and real-life examples of individuals who have succeeded with them. From farming to financial technology, we'll explore the various ways that people are using these assets to generate passive income, build multiple revenue streams, and achieve financial freedom. Whether you're interested in short-term gains or long-term wealth, we'll cover the pros and cons of each asset, so you can make informed decisions about where to invest your time and money. One of the most exciting things about this list is the diversity of opportunities it represents. You'll see assets that are perfect for beginners, as well as those that are better suited to experienced investors. You'll see assets that offer steady, predictable returns, as well as those that come with higher risks but potentially greater rewards. And you'll see assets that are accessible to people with limited capital, as well as those that require a more significant investment. As we explore each of these assets, you'll start to see a pattern emerge. You'll see how different people are using these assets to build wealth in different ways. And you'll begin to understand the various strategies and tactics that are working in Nigeria and India today. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, build a business, or simply achieve financial independence, you'll find assets on this list that can help you get there. The most surprising asset on our list might just change your perspective on investing forever, revealing the untapped potential in unexpected areas. You might be surprised to learn that one of the most lucrative assets on our list is also one of the most accessible, requiring minimal upfront capital and offering a high potential for returns. And you might be surprised to learn that another asset on our list is actually a type of business that can be started with very little money, but has the potential to generate significant income. As we delve deeper into each of these assets, you'll see the potential for wealth creation that exists in Nigeria and India today. You'll see how people are leveraging these assets to build wealth, achieve financial freedom, and live the lives they've always wanted. And you'll see the various ways that you can get started with each asset, even if you're on a limited budget or have limited experience. You'll also see the various ways that people are using these assets to diversify their portfolios, reduce their risk, and increase their potential for returns. You'll see how different assets are performing in different markets, and you'll see the ways that people are using this information to make informed investment decisions. And you'll see the various ways that you can get started with each asset, even if you're new to investing or don't have a lot of experience. 1. Real estate investment. In both Nigeria and India, real estate has always been a prime asset class for wealth creation. With growing urbanization and a rising middle class, investing in residential, commercial, and industrial properties has become a lucrative venture. In cities like Lagos, Abuja, Mumbai, and Bangalore, property values have skyrocketed, offering significant returns for investors. The rental income from properties also provides a steady cash flow, making real estate a favored investment. 2. Stock market investments. The Nigerian Stock Exchange, NSE, and the Bombay Stock Exchange, BSE in India, have become hotspots for wealth creation. Individuals and institutional investors alike are making considerable gains by investing in equities, particularly in growth sectors like technology, pharmaceuticals, and financial services. With a growing number of IPOs and increased foreign investments, the stock markets in both countries present abundant opportunities for those willing to take calculated risks. 3. Agriculture and agribusiness. Agriculture remains the backbone of both the Nigerian and Indian economies. With vast arable land, favorable climates, and government support, investing in agriculture, whether through farming, agro-processing, or export of agricultural products like cocoa, rice, and spices, continues to yield substantial returns. Modern agribusinesses that employ technology for improved yields are creating wealth by meeting both local and international demand. 4. Cryptocurrency and digital assets. Cryptocurrency trading and investment have gained momentum in both countries. In Nigeria, it is reported that over 30% of the population owns some form of cryptocurrency, making it one of the highest adoption rates globally. Similarly, India has seen a surge in crypto investments despite regulatory uncertainty. Many people are capitalizing on the volatility and growth potential of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and local tokens, becoming millionaires in the process. 5. Technology startups. The tech industry is booming in Nigeria and India, driven by a young and dynamic workforce, increasing internet penetration, and supportive ecosystems. Startups in fintech, e-commerce, edtech, and health tech are attracting massive investments from venture capitalists and private equity firms. Entrepreneurs in cities like Lagos, Nairobi, Bangalore, and Hyderabad are building scalable businesses that are transforming economies and creating immense wealth. 6. Gold and precious metals. Both Nigeria and India have a long-standing cultural affinity for gold and precious metals. In India, gold is not only a symbol of wealth, but also a form of financial security, leading to a high demand for gold jewelry, coins, and bars. Nigeria, with its burgeoning middle class, has seen increased investment in gold and other precious metals as a hedge against inflation and currency devaluation. 7. Art and collectibles. Investment in art and collectibles is an emerging asset class in both Nigeria and India. Affluent individuals and investors are increasingly putting their money into traditional and contemporary art, rare antiques, and culturally significant artifacts. The appreciation value of such assets is often substantial, providing both a hedge against market volatility and a way to diversify portfolios. 8. Renewable energy projects. As both Nigeria and India face energy challenges, investment in renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power is gaining traction. Entrepreneurs and companies involved in developing clean energy technologies and infrastructure are making significant profits while contributing to sustainable development goals. With increasing government incentives and global focus on green energy, this sector is set to grow exponentially. 9. Education and skill development. The education sector in Nigeria and India presents vast opportunities for wealth creation. Private schools, edtech platforms, and vocational training centers have become lucrative ventures. With a growing population and a high demand for quality education and skills training, investors are reaping substantial rewards by investing in schools, online learning platforms, and educational franchises. 10. Health and wellness industry. The healthcare sector is expanding rapidly in both countries. Investment opportunities range from hospitals, clinics, and pharmaceutical companies to wellness centers and telemedicine platforms. With increased awareness about health and well-being, especially post-pandemic, the demand for health services and products has soared, making it a profitable asset class. 11. Transportation and logistics. The transportation and logistics sector is critical to the economies of Nigeria and India. As e-commerce grows, the need for efficient delivery and supply chain management has become paramount. Investments in trucking fleets, logistics companies, and delivery services are yielding high returns, driven by the growth in online shopping and cross-border trade. 12. Fashion and textile industry. Both countries have a rich history in textiles and fashion. The Nigerian fashion industry, known for its vibrant prints and cultural designs, is gaining international recognition, while India's textile sector continues to be a major player globally. Investments in textile manufacturing, fashion brands, and retail chains are paying off as consumer spending on fashion increases, both domestically and abroad. 13. Entertainment and media. The entertainment industry in Nigeria and India is flourishing. Nollywood and Bollywood are among the largest film industries in the world, producing thousands of movies annually. Beyond films, investments in music, digital media, and streaming platforms are becoming increasingly profitable as content consumption rises. Entrepreneurs in this space are building wealth by leveraging the growing demand for diverse and engaging content. 14. Real estate crowdfunding. A relatively new concept, real estate crowdfunding allows multiple investors to pool their money to invest in property developments. This democratizes access to the real estate market, enabling more people to benefit from property investments without the need for large capital outlay. Platforms offering real estate crowdfunding opportunities are gaining popularity in both Nigeria and India, providing another avenue for wealth creation. 15. Microfinance and fintech lending. Microfinance institutions and fintech lending platforms are transforming the financial landscape in Nigeria and India by providing credit to the underserved population. By leveraging technology, these platforms offer quick loans, savings products, and other financial services, creating wealth for both investors and the people they serve. As financial inclusion continues to be a priority, the microfinance sector is poised for significant growth. This overview covers a range of assets that are currently creating wealth in Nigeria and India, with deeper insights into how these assets are influencing the economies and opportunities in both countries. To summarize, we've highlighted 15 powerful assets that can help you accumulate wealth in Nigeria and India, emphasizing the importance of informed investment strategies. Whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your investments to the next level, these assets represent a wealth of opportunities for anyone who is willing to take action. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more insights on wealth building strategies.